To make an appointment with PNC Bank, start by visiting their official website and clicking on the Contact Us or Customer Service tab. From there, select the Schedule an Appointment option, which will direct you to a page where you can choose the type of appointment you need, such as account opening, loan application, or investment consultation. Next, enter your location to find the nearest PNC Bank branch, and then select the date and time that works best for you. You will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, phone number, and email address, as well as a brief description of the purpose of your appointment. Alternatively, you can make an appointment by calling PNC Bank's customer service number and speaking with a representative. They will guide you through the process and help you schedule a time that fits your schedule. You can also visit a PNC Bank branch in person and ask to speak with a banker who can assist you with scheduling an appointment. When making an appointment, be sure to have all necessary documents and information ready, such as identification, account numbers, and any relevant financial documents. This will help ensure that your appointment is productive and efficient. It is also a good idea to arrive early for your appointment and be prepared to discuss your financial goals and objectives with the banker. This will help them provide you with the most effective guidance and support. By following these steps and being prepared, you can make the most of your appointment with PNC Bank and achieve your financial goals.